we are going to install an AI chat assistant just like this one over here. Lyra's conversational style makes it easy to chat with real human-like understanding. Lyra will gather information from your website to intelligently answer questions, access your store products, and more. It's free to use and easy to set up. From your inbox, you can see all of the live conversations. I've set up this customer, Robert, who's asking about a haircut, and Lyra is responding to him. But you can actually jump in on the conversation. I'll let Robert know that we have availability on Friday at 10 a.m. Should I book you in? So as you can see, you can use Lyra to save time by answering questions on your behalf, but you can also just jump in when needed and close the deal. Once the conversation's done, go ahead and mark it as solved. You can see live customers on your site, even if they're not engaging with the chatbot. Perhaps they're on your product page. You can start a conversation and see if you can get the client to interact. Additionally, you can take a look over here to see the last page visited, as well as the history of all the pages your client has clicked on. You can go to info and see additional information regarding your client, like what device they're using to visit your website with. You can even integrate Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp into Tidio and have all of your conversations happening from one place. Lyra is free to use and easy to set up, so let's get started. In the comment section, click on tidiogo.com and then get started. Now create a free account. What's really great is they don't ask for any credit card details. If you're interested in using their premium plan, you can also use my other link, where you will receive a 20% discount. So you can go ahead and save this code for later. Once you've filled in your details, you can type in your website address that you would like Tidio to be installed on. Accept the T's and C's and get started. Now that you've successfully created an account, we can configure the live chat widget. I'll rename the widget with my company name, and I'll update my color scheme by choosing one of the variations. You could add a custom color by clicking on the icon with the 3 dots, and you can also change the language of your chatbot. Next, I'm going to upload an avatar. So I'm going to click on it and I'll go to my file system and pick the company logo. Once it's uploaded, you can see it on the chatbot. If you're happy, you can go ahead and click continue. Here you can select the main focus of your chatbot. So I would like it to solve my customers' problems, and I would like it to do it by automating conversations on the website. Now select the number of support agents that you'll have and select your industry. And then finally, you can choose how many inquiries you expect to receive on a monthly basis. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click continue. And now let's decide how we would like the chatbot to engage with the client on first contact. I'm going to be placing this chatbot on my barbershop site, so I will go with a warm greeting. You can also customize the message by adding to the message or changing it entirely if you prefer. You could also add in emoticons by clicking over here, and you can see a wide selection. Great, so if you're happy with your message, just go ahead and save the message. Once you're done with your customizations, you can move on and click continue. We now need to install the chatbot onto our website, and as you can see, there are numerous integrations available such as Shopify and Magento, but we'll be installing on Wordpress. So I'd like you to navigate to your Wordpress website. From your Wordpress dashboard, you can go to plugins and we'll add a new plugin. Now let's search for Tidio and then hit the Install Now button. Once it's installed, you can go ahead and activate the plugin. You'll now see the Tidio chat on the left of your dashboard. Click on it, and then we can log into our account that we created with Tidio. Click Login, and you can now fill in your account details. Okay, wonderful. That was super easy, and we now have a chatbot added to our website. So if I switch to the front of my website, we can now see that the chatbot has been installed, and here it is. If I click there, it's asking, "Hi, how can I help you?" Here are a list of features we can add to our setup. I'm going to skip to item 3 and enable Lyro. Lyro is Tidio's AI chatbot, and we're going to start by giving it a data source to learn about your company. So click on Enable Lyro and start using Lyro. You can accept the terms and conditions, and then over here you can choose to add a knowledge base from your website. It'll scan your site and create an FAQ based off of your company information. Click Next, and then Lyro will pull through your company URL that you provided right in the beginning. So go ahead and click on Generate. This will take a couple of minutes to generate the information, so I'm just going to skip ahead. So Lyro has created an FAQ based off of the information it found on my website, and it's quite accurate. Additionally, what you can do is you can even unselect some items that you don't want, and then once you're happy, you can just click on Add Selected. You can add additional knowledge to your FAQ by clicking over here, and you get the same prompt that we had earlier. You can still click here and add in an FAQ. So if I go back to my website, I copy the page of my FAQ, and I can import those FAQs as is, and it will add it to my list. Finally, you can click on any question and edit it by editing the question as well as the answer. Once you're done, click Activate. And just like that, the chatbot is set up and ready to answer your customers' questions. So if you would like to set up a chatbot on your e-commerce store, then you can take a look at the video that I created right here.